Today I make chachari, a Bengali dish. For chachari I use hyacinth bean. This is called hyacinth beans. Cut into two pieces, and stem of fenugreek leaf and coriander leaf, cauliflower, brinjal cut like this way, goat pieces of goat, potatoes pieces of like this way, and some cauliflower stem and cabbage stem which we always thrown away. Use this stem. I slightly boil this. Add oil on a heating pan. Give some black cumin seed on a heating oil. Slightly fried. Add dry chilli into broken pieces. Slightly fried. Now add veggies. Boiled veggies. Number one. Do not add tomato and fenugreek stem. Add little bit of turmeric powder. Add salt according to taste. I use 1 and fry it. Now cover it with a dish and cook it in a low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5-6 minutes, cook in a low flame, open it and give remain veggies, brinjal, stem of fenugreek green, tomatoes, and again cover it. Take any type of mustard. I use yellow mustard and green chilli according to it will be according to your taste. I grind it in my silbatta like this way. I grind all my mustard seed and green chilli a fine paste. Now open the lid of the pan. Fry it in a high flame. After frying 3 to 4 minutes, the veggies will be fried, and add silbatta washing water. Mix it nicely in high flame. Do not add so many water. Add, cover it again for 3 to 2 minutes. 4 minutes, open the lid. Check that your veggies properly boil or not. After then, cook it in high flame. After boiling the veggies, add some mustard paste which I made before and mix it well. After mixing, add raw mustard oil like this way and switch off the flame. Mix it properly. Now serve your chachari with rice, roti, bread, paratha, whatever you like.